Good morning. We're just down doing a early morning walk on the beach. It's about 6 o'clock. It's gorgeous out right now. It looks a little overcast and cloud cover coming in. The ocean looks amazing. Not too much for waves this morning because it's low tide and we're on a bit of a dip. The swell starts to pick back up tomorrow, so just going for a little tour down the south end. Yeah, just a nice morning to get up and come for a walk. Try to do it every morning. Always a bunch of little hermit crabs and stuff coming out of the holes. You can usually find some cool things and creatures down here. Yeah, and then we'll see what the rest of the day brings us. You. Like it. Brightens it up. Ooh, look at that baby. Get out of here. Welcome to beach life. Happens when your doors are wide open. is almost lunch. It's coming up on high tide, and there is really good longboard surf out there. So I am going to stop for a little bit. I'm going to grab the longboard, and we're going to go out and play for a bit. So we'll catch up with y'all in a bit. You! Crazy big right now. We're in a low period for a swell, but just want to go out. I've been painting all morning and working, so I just really want to go out and paddle into a couple. That's why I bought here, so I can do that. Okay, stay tuned. You! See how this big old tank handles out here. It's feels like she's had a little bit of water over the years. So, but if we get a chance to go into town or go south to San Juan del Sur to go to a surf shop to pick up something a little better, because I'm definitely not paying to bring one from down home, it'll work for now. Okay, see what happens. I absolutely love the fact that my house is right there. Tony's, Steve's, Greg, Josh, Doug, Paul, Rancho, and Scotty's, and the Turtle Sanctuary. This is, oh, I'm missing that one there. Oh, we got one coming. It's heavy. The log. There's a boat. Okay, that's a little better. Beautiful bluebird day. So we're still working on the house. Got a lot of stuff done, a lot of stuff mostly inside painted. Working on a few other little things. So I'm gonna keep plugging away today and tomorrow, and hopefully my goal by the end of the week is to have all the big stuff done. My girlfriend's coming down in 10 days, so I want to make sure I got nothing to do when she gets here. And her and I can just play in the water and go on adventures. So yeah, that's what we're going to get up to. I'll even do a little landscaping later today, depends on the weather. But yeah, we're going to go up and make some breakfast, have a little coffee, and then we're going to get on with it. Thanks for watching. You.